In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a PowerPoint presentation to YouTube the right way. If you've created a slideshow for a class, a business presentation, a tutorial, or any kind of training, and you want to turn it into a video for YouTube, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. The best part is, you don't need any extra software because PowerPoint has everything built in. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the PowerPoint presentation that you want to upload to YouTube. Before exporting, make sure your slides are completely finalized. Double-check your text, images, animations, and transitions. If you've added narration or slide timings, review those as well, because whatever is in your presentation will be included in the video. Once your presentation is ready, go to the top menu and click on the Recording tab in PowerPoint. This tab contains all the tools related to recording, narration, and exporting your presentation as a video. If you've already recorded narration, you'll see those options here. If not, you can still export the slides as they are. Inside the Recording tab, look for the option that says Export to Video and click on it. This will open the export settings, where you can customize how your PowerPoint will be converted into a video file. Now you'll see the export screen. One of the most important settings here is the Video Quality drop-down menu. Click on the Video Quality drop-down to see the available options. Typically, you'll see choices like Full HD, HD, and Standard. If you want the best clarity for YouTube, I recommend selecting Full HD. This gives you a 1080p video, which looks professional and sharp on most devices. If your file size needs to be smaller, you can choose HD. Standard is lower quality and usually not recommended unless you have specific size limitations. After selecting your desired video quality, review any additional timing or narration settings if they appear. Make sure everything is configured the way you want, because once the video is created, you would need to re-export if changes are required. Next, click on Create Video. PowerPoint will now ask you where you want to save the file on your computer. Choose a location that's easy to find, like your desktop or Documents folder. Then click Save. PowerPoint will begin converting your presentation into a video file. Depending on the length of your presentation and the quality you selected, this may take a few moments. Once the video finishes exporting, you now have a video file ready for YouTube. The final step is uploading it to your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and sign into your account. Click on the Create button at the top right, then select Upload Video. Drag and drop your exporting PowerPoint video file into the upload window. While the video uploads, add your title, description, and tags. Choose a thumbnail, select your audience settings, and go through the visibility options. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your PowerPoint presentation is now live on YouTube as a video. And that's it. That's exactly how to upload a PowerPoint presentation to YouTube using the built-in export feature. Simple, clean, and no extra tools required. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.